This is me, a more of an exciting vlog. Everything always has to happen like this, right? But Montana Millz, upcoming rapper. I am going to a music video shoot. I just made this because mine's the hero car. So we're going to put his name on the roof or on the windshield. And yeah, it's going to be a good time, hopefully. Super excited for this video shoot. It's been about 3 weeks in the making. Yeah, that'll work fine. My car is spotless clean. I got it detailed. I think it's Initial K Auto Spa. If you look at my story, you'll see it. But I mean, this thing is spotless. I didn't drive it since I got it done. It's beautiful. I don't even want to drive it right now. But video shoot, right? You think I'll be all excited, which I am excited. I've been excited. But check this out. It's been raining all day. All day. Right this second, it's wet, but it's just sprinkling right now. But yeah. So it's going to put a damper on things. So my spotless, clean car is going to get destroyed just driving there. I don't know if I should bring some towels and just wipe it down there. I don't even know. What's the point, right? Because I'll bring one. I even riced it out for the occasion. Check this out. I'm too excited about it. But I'll still take video and see what's going on. It's going to be cold. Real cold. But I'm going to put the roof on, put the sticker on, and head out to my second or third music video. First with this car, though. But fingers crossed it turns out. Oh, boy. Well, here we go. Roof is on. Hardly ever have that. And then Montana Millz on the windshield. I mean, it looks cool-ish, I guess. Now we always take it right off, but whatever. Here we go. Sorry, neighbors. Oh yeah, it's video starts at like 10:30, so it's like after 9 right now. So it's gonna be a long one. It's rainy. Still rainy. A few people showed up so far. Still here early. So we'll see what happens. This place is letting us do it. Yeah, we're just waiting, I guess, for a few more people to show, or I'm not sure, sitting up. Figure it out. Get shit organized.
I guess where his spot is, he can do
All right, so I had to just organize the cars. I didn't know that was my job, but got like a cool little circle going. Then William has now become the other hero car. And then me. Way down there. William rocked me in a race as usual.
Misty grape.
I know, that's what I'm trying to figure out.
Misty grape.
Oh, blueberry lemonade.
Hey, wait, which one you got?
Go on, Montana.
Been here since 10-ish, 9:30, 10-ish. It's 1 in the morning. At least some action's going on.
I like that. Right, you can't. That's done now. You locked in.
No, because I just keep thinking about
Go. If your car is as fast as your lips, you'll be winning more races.
It's a wrap for tonight. What time is it? 1:30. 1:30. Jeez Louise. Done here till tomorrow. Good time. Next day. Man. I didn't get home till like 4 last night. I had to help out another car that got stranded. Not gonna say any names. I had to go help him out. So now we're getting it ready for the garage scene today. And I just had to give a shout out to Initial K Auto Spa. Oh, I just did that to my bumper. Just now reversing it. I have to fix that real quick. My driveway is very steep. But, man, ignore that. That just happened. Anyway, we need to give a shout out because I got my car detailed by Initial K, and I have not wiped it or anything yet. I just came out here to do it. Like, that's about it. This car is still so damn shiny. Even the wheels. That's all it is, that one lip, like right there. Oh my gosh, she did such a good job. Like the water, it rained all night basically. Drove in the rain. And look at that. It's perfect. Even the windshield, I don't understand. Yeah, so I'm going to come here and do the garage shoot, and I'm just going to clean it. I guess I don't need to clean it up. Just wait for him. Badass. Maybe clean the engine bay. I'll have to look. I love my garage. I really do. It just popped in, but I don't know how it's going to stay in, but we'll see. See how clean the engine is. Looks pretty good to me. Here we go.
Just go next to it. Like, pull up right here real quick. We take the ball out. Pull back. Jamie, what's up, dog? Hey, what up, man? How you doing? Talk to me, man.
That's a fucking.
My bad, y'all. My bad.
You got
Oh,
one.
shit.
Okay. Jamie, what's up, dog?
Hey, what up, man? How you doing?
Talk.
Hey, I got it all set up for you. The suspension tightened up. Hit them corners as fast as you want. Just double clutch it.
You throw your line?
Oh, fuckish.
Stop it. I'm gonna tell you why I stopped it. Okay, what's up?
He said what he was gonna